Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to achieve like a full boho kind of look, but with half the time. This is my pattern. I'm going to be doing half of my head in individuals, and then the other half I'm going to be crocheting these boho not boho, but these crochet pieces. I call everything boho, child, but this hair is sponsored by Ywigs. They did send over to us this hair to use, and I did get 6 little packets. And this hair, to me, it looks like either a loose curl or a body wave. The exact hair will be listed down below. So guys, for the front of my hair, I did decide to leave out quite a bit just so I'm able to comfortably do my half up, half down, and do like side parts and pull my hair back without it looking obvious that it's not all braids. I am gonna go in and crochet the pieces in. I did install one piece, and I use my hair as a third piece, and I do a braid, and then I just go in and I add like 2 more pieces to each braid. And this is the miracle knot method, or if some people want to call it crochet method, it's the same, where you pre-braid your hair and then you just attach 1 crochet piece to the hair, and then after braiding it out you attach as many curly pieces as you want. I wanted this hair really full, so on each individual braid I did put 2 to 3 pieces. I think I put 3 pieces closer to the top, so it was really full. They did send me like 6 bundles of this. Well, I don't even know if these called bundles, but they did send me 6 packets of this hair, and I did have an extra packet left over, but I did use quite a bit, guys. I wanted my hair really full. I don't even know how many individual braids in the front, but I did do more than I've seen people do for this specific style, only because I wanted a clean updo and pullback style without worrying about seeing the cornrows in the back where I crochet the pieces in. But this is really easy. I'm just gonna let you guys watch the video. It's very self-explanatory. If you've done miracle knots before or any kind of like crochet braid, then you can see all you're doing is adding 1 of the crochet piece into your own hair, and then using your hair as the third piece, braiding all the way down. And then what I do once I get to the end of that, I just take a tiny piece of the hair and wrap it around the part that I stopped braiding, and then I give it a little knot just to help the hair to unravel. Some people use glue. I didn't do that, but my hair still stayed in, and the pieces that I added to the braid, I simply gave them a knot because I wanted my hair to stay in and not slide out. And so far I haven't been having any trouble with this hair. I've had this hair in for like a week now, and it's so pretty. I've gotten so many compliments. I definitely like this hair, and I love this method because it saved me so much time, and it also gave me a French braid look. I've been wanting to do that kind of like brushed look. I don't know how to explain it. How I see the girls posting with the braids, and then it's all kind of looking like curly. I don't know, but that's the look that I feel like this hair gave me without really having to do that style. And this was so easy. You can do this yourself, guys. Like literally, it is so easy. The hardest part, I kid you not, is just like prepping your hair, parting your hair out, braiding down the back, and yeah, everything else is simple after that. This is what 1/4 of the hair looks like. Do you see how full and juicy that looks? And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the next side, and then we're gonna crochet in our pieces. If y'all are interested in this hair, then I would definitely want you to check the description box down below. This hair is stunning. I really enjoyed this style. I've done a lot of miracle knot style, but this version of this style has been my favorite. I love this curl pattern. It's just fun, and all I have to do is use my brush and brush it through, and it looks so good. did my braids in the front, I did go ahead and start crocheting the rest of the hair in, and I'm simply just pulling the hair through and knotting it. That's all we're doing. Super simple, super easy to do. And I did as much as I thought was necessary to make the hair full. I think it's pretty full. The curls are so pretty. And guys, to style this hair, no product, no product whatsoever. You want it to not look shiny. So I didn't add any product. I just went in with a brush and I brushed it through, and that's it. You don't have to curl, you don't have to do anything, and then like the hair is just ready to go. All I did was do my little edges and, you know, kind of try to get my kitchen area intact. I really think I need to just like shave the back of my head, in the sense like my hair grows so much in the back. Anyways, this style is so fun, y'all. Like, look how good this looks. Like, I was feeling this before even doing my makeup. I really enjoy this style. It looks so romantic. That's what I feel like these curls give, just effortless. And yeah, I love it so much. This is the finished results. I did my edges, and all you need is just a brush. You're just gonna be brushing the hair to style, and that's it, nothing else. This can be pulled in a half up, half down. You can flip it to the side, and you can pull it back in a claw clip style. Like, I love the way how I install this hair. It's for sure one of my best styles yet. Let me know what y'all think, because I really love this hair. I'm cheesing looking at this because this hair has been such a breeze. It's so easy to work with, nothing on the maintenance. All I do is pin it up before going to sleep, and then in the morning I just brush the curls out and we're good to go again. Definitely check this style out, guys. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you're trying it. This is such a summer vibe. Like, imagine going on vacation, all you need is a little paddle brush. I love this for us. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you found it useful, then leave me a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. I love you guys so much. Thank you for always rocking with me, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.